Ladies and gentlemen and ladies, before we get into today's video, it is time to announce the winner of the front lip. So I just want to take this second, thank all of you for commenting. You guys are killing it in the comment section. You guys are killing it hitting that like button. Thank you very much. All you subscribers that have been here from the beginning, I can't thank you guys enough. That is the reason I'm doing this giveaway. So what I have here are all your names who have commented on the last video that you wanted that lip. As you can see, there's a bunch of you in here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to shake it up. And without looking, the winner of the front lip is... Whoa, hold up. Before we get into the giveaway winner, we are at the shop in the parking lot. She is looking beautiful. We do not need to replace any lights up front. They're all already LEDs, but we need to go to the rear. The brake lights are LEDs, nothing else is. We're gonna be replacing the turn signals and the reverse lights and turning them into LEDs. Could replace this one with an LED, but I really don't want my license plate to be brighter. I don't know about you guys, but not me so much. And then, what we could also do is, as you can see, this is not bright at all. We can replace this one. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna run into the shop. It is a little chilly out here. We're gonna replace them bulbs. I'll show you how to do it. And then I'll bring it right back outside and we'll take a look at it back under the lights. All right, real quick before we get into the video, I know I'm stopping it again, but I just saw Spider-Man Far From Home. 8.5 out of 10, highly recommend it. If you're a Marvel fan, you definitely need to stay to the end. Let's get back to the shop. I don't know about you folks, but I'm really enjoying this lip. Let's get to the lights. It won't take long. Very simple. I think it's like 4 clips and replace the bulbs. We're gonna pop the trunk here. The reverse lights are LT15s. The turn signal lights are T7440As. We're gonna take this cover off right here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 clips to get to the reverse lights. So we'll do that. That easy. First, this is what we're going to be replacing it with, LT15s.
We are lucky enough that we do not have to remove this. But just in case you do, here's a deep well 10 millimeter. And there's 2 little clips right back in here. Just press the size, push it out, and it'll come out. And then you can just unhook here and unhook here, and it'll pop right out. But we're going to remove this one to replace that. And I'll throw the cover back on here.
Okay, now that we got the reverse lights all done, the mat back in, it's time to move on to the turn signals. So after looking at it and messing with it for a little while, I kind of assumed they'd be like the 10th gens, and they are not. So what you need to do is we need to pop this cover off. I didn't know there was a cover here. So we'll just take the screwdriver, just like the clips, you just come down, turn it left to right, You hear those clicking noises? What you don't want to do, and please do not do this, do not pry right in here. And then we'll come down here and do the same thing. And again, don't pry. You don't want to break your taillight or crack it. Then you just take your hand and pull it off. And then there's 2 Phillips screws, and we'll take those out. Okay, now what you see here is it still doesn't want to come out, right? Okay, so what we need to do is there's these 2 little white tabs there. I recommend using pliers. What you want to do is you want to take your pliers. There's 2 little ear tabs. You want to grab right at the beginning of the tab, squeeze, and push. Hear that click? Now what I was able to do is I was able to grab the back of the taillight on the outside and do the same thing at the bottom. You hear it. You hear a pop. Then you just grab it, move it back and forth, and voila, she's loose. And I'm not gonna lie, those tabs were a little tough, so I hope this video helps you out and you have an easier time than I did. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna replace them with these last fit bulbs. Can't wait to see what these look like. Okay, so the one we're gonna be replacing is this one right here in the middle. Just turn it, pull it out. Make sure to be very gentle with the tail light on your paint. You don't want to make any scratches. And then just all right, she works, so let's put her back in. Always make sure to test them before you completely reinstall. That way, if you have an issue, you can take care of it without having to pull everything apart again. All right. Now you line everything back, line those tabs back up. Now before I do that, let's see the difference.
Just like the other side, you pop the cover off, take the screws out,
and get in here on the tabs. Pull the light out. You're gonna pull this one out, turn, pull, out. And then we test. These only go in one way, so that was obviously the wrong way. Put it back in. There we go. Put the light back in. Get the tabs back into the holes. Hear that clicking? Both tabs are locked in. Put the 2 screws back in. Put the mat back in place. Put our clips back in.
and then put the cover back on.
And just like that, lighting is done. Last fit coming through in the clutch again. If you're looking to get yourself some, go to www.lastfit.com. Make sure to use my discount code 717P for 10% off. Now let's head back to the house and announce this giveaway winners. Okay, now to do the trunk light, this is what you do. There's a hole right here. Take your finger, push against the tab, and it'll fall right out. It's just a little bulb. You're going to replace it with a last fit LT10. Same ones I put in the Type R. Well, that makes a difference, doesn't it?
What a difference that makes.
And without looking, the winner of the front lip is Matthew Johnson. Matthew Johnson, congratulations, sir. You are the winner of the front lip. Now it's time to announce the winners of the last fit interior lights. And the winners are Pistol Pete and Jake Borges. Jake, I hope I pronounced your name right. I apologize if I didn't. So Matthew Johnson, Jake Borges, and Pistol Pete, I will be reaching out to all of you for your contact information here in the next few days. Thank you all so much for participating. I greatly appreciate it. So let's participate really hard in this next week's video. The giveaway, so what was this week's video about? I think I'm going to give away 2 sets of last fits turn signals and reverse lights. So if you want to participate in that, you gotta do 3 things again. Number 1, you gotta be a subscriber. Number 2, you gotta leave a like on this video. And number 3, leave a comment in the comment section saying hazards in reverse. And as always, this was your boy Miller. I'll see you in the next one.